might run into a jam here.
What's going on there, Bob? Why is it jam?
We got some technical difficulties. Running into a snag here with the rear quarter window access points.
Why? Oh, you need a wrench?
Could be, yeah. Just slam out this window. Slam out the window, and then we can rip this out. Get this window. I don't need to do that. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna need some more tools. We need it's like a 10mm. Yeah, this is a
Do you have the tools with you?
Mission
Unaccomplished.
mission unaccomplished.
What do you need?
It's gonna need like a 10 mil to open this up. Yeah, then I take out this. Mission